Hello everyone, welcome to online class. In the last class we have learnt about the definition of natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and the rational numbers. Let us see some worked examples related to this chapter. First one is, I'll just read out the question. Are the following statement true or false? Give reasons for your answers. First question, every whole number is a natural number. This is a question you have to answer whether it is true or false. Answer is false because I'll just explain. Whole number means whole number is a set of natural numbers along with a zero. See, I have written some whole numbers, set of whole numbers, W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Here, what was the question asked? Every whole number is a natural number. Of course, 1 is a natural number, 2 is a natural number, 3, 4 and all natural number. What about 0? 0 is not a natural number. That's why every whole number, they asked every whole number. It's not possible. All except 0, rest all are natural numbers. Answer is false because 0 is a whole number but it is not a natural number. Next question. Every integer is a rational number. Answer is true. I'll just explain. What is the meaning of integers? Integers are denoted by the letter Z, which includes positive numbers, negative numbers, isn't it? Now it includes positive numbers and negative numbers. Here, if you take any negative number, for example, if you take minus 5 can be written as minus 5 by 1. It implies P by Q. It's as good as P by Q. 0 can be written as 0 by 1. Any integers, you can take any integers. The integers can be written in the form of P by Q. Hence, the second statement is true. What is the second statement? Every integer is a rational number. Yes, because rational number includes, already you have learnt, rational number includes whole number, rational numbers include natural number, rational number includes even integers. True, because every integers can be expressed in the form of P by Q. Hence, it is a rational number. Even one example I have written, you can have a look. Minus 25 is an integer. This minus 25 can be written as minus 25 by 1 is as good as minus 25 itself, isn't it? Here it is in the form of P by Q. This is a rational number. If you write 16, 16 is an integer. As I said, it contains both positive and negative numbers. This 16 can be written as 16 by 1. Again, it is a rational number. If you take 0, even 0 can be written as 0 by 1. Again, it is a rational number where numbers are expressed in the form of P by Q. Is it clear? Here P is 0, Q is 1. But only thing is Q should not be equal to 0. At any cost, Q should not equal to 0. Next, we'll see the next question. The question number 3 is, every rational number is an integer. Is it true? No. See, every integer can be rational number, but every rational number is not an integer. I'll just quote an example to make you understand. Take any number. For example, if I write minus 5 by 1, which is in the form of P by Q, is as good as minus 5. It is integer, isn't it? What about take the number like 3 by 5 or 5 by 7 or any other numbers where denominator is not 0, then this is a rational number. Even this is also a rational number. But these numbers are not integers. As a whole, it is not an integer. As a whole, it is not integer. If you take individual, I mean, if you take 5, 7 as a separate identity, then it is an integer. 5 is an integer, I agree. But as a whole, 5 by 7 is not a integer. It is a rational number. Now, all the integers, every integer is rational. But every rational is not integer. This is the answer. You can give any number which is in the form of p by q and you can prove it is not a integer. See, I have written 2 by 3 is a rational number, but it is not a integer. Did you understand why it is not integer? For example, if you divide 2 by 3, divide it, you will get 0.6. Here 0.6 is not a integer. Clear? That is the reason why the statement as we have stated as false. Every rational number is integer is a false statement, and the reason behind is this. You can quote any examples and you can illustrate. The next one is find the 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. Between 1 and 2, you have to find 5 rational numbers. In order to find the 5 rational numbers, we have 2 methods. One is by using the formula r plus s by 2. This is a formula where you can make use of this formula and you can find the rational numbers in between 1 and 2. How? I'll just brief out. Between 1 and 2, there are infinite rational numbers are there. You have to find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. In order to solve this problem, you can make use of formula that is r plus s by 2. If you use this formula, then you will get a number in between 1 and 2. Now, what is r here? Take r as 1 and s as 2. Now, apply formula. R plus 1 means 1 plus 2 by 2. You will get 3 by 2. Now, in between 1 and 2, you have 3 by 2 is one rational number. If you divide 3 by 2, you will get an answer. 2 ones are 2. Then 1 remainder. Put point. Take one more 0. Is 5 2s are 10. Remainder 0. Now what is a quotient? Quotient is 1.5. What does it mean? It means that it lies in between. In between 1 and 2, here 3 by 2. That is as good as 1.5. Now, in between these two, again you have to find out one more rational number. Using the same formula, r plus s by 2. Here you take r as 1 and s as 3 by 2. How to do it? See, 1 plus 3 by 2 divided by 2. Here, think it is 1. Take LCM. LCM will be 2. Then it will be 2 plus 3. Since here denominator is 1, it will be 2 plus 3 by 2 by 2. Now how to solve it? You add 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 by 2 into, if 1 by 2 by 1, you can write it as 1 by 2. It will be 5 by 4. Now, these rational numbers will lie in between these 2 points. I mean 1 and 3 by 2. In between 1 and 3 by 2, there is a rational number, that is 5 by 4. Now what you have to do? In between these two numbers, again you can find out one more number, middle number. Arriving the answer, again you can make use of the same formula and you can find out another 2. Here also you can find out one more number. Once you got the number, this one answer, again you can make use these two numbers and you can find out the middle one. Here also you can make use here. Once you get the answer, you can make use the number in between. In same way, you can find n number of rational numbers between 1 and 2. This is one method. Already I have solved. I'll just show you. Find the rational numbers between 1 and 2. Here taking r as 1 and s as 2. R plus s by 2 is a formula. R plus s by 2 is 3 by 2. And in between 1 and 2, you got 3 by 2. What's the next step? Taking these two as r and s, I'll find out the middle term with the same formula. That is, here r is 1, s is 3 by 2. Using that, I got the answer 5 by 4. Representation here. Then, find the middle term between these two. That is 3 by 2 and 2. Now, how to find out? Take r as 3 by 2 and s as 2 and find the middle term of it. Then you will get 7 by 4. Have done it, see. Same way, proceed further. Take 5 by 4 and 3 by 2 as r and s. Find the middle term of this in between. Then, after finding, you will get 11 by 8 as an answer. Again, you can move further. You can find the middle term between 3 by 2 and 7 by 4 again with the same formula. Here r is 3 by 2 and 7 by 4 is s. Then you will get one more number, that is 13 by 8. See, I have done it. You can have a look. And this is a little laborious process. Every single steps you are finding the middle term of those two given numbers. We'll go for the next easiest step and easiest method. You are supposed to find 5 rational numbers. Now what you have to do? Take n as 5. To that 5, add 1 to it. What you will get? 5 plus 1 you will get 6. Now whatever the answers you have got, you have to multiply for the two numbers given. See, you are supposed to find out the rational numbers between 1 and 2, isn't it? Now take the first number and multiply and divide by this number. See, multiply and divide. 6 ones are 6. Again 6 as it is. For 2, again do the same procedure. 2 into 6 by 6, you'll get 12 by 6. Now this is the initial number and this is the final number. In these two rational numbers, you have to find the 5 rational numbers. What you have to do? Write those two numbers. See, I have written 5 by 6 and 12 by 6. Now increase the numerator by 1. But keep the denominator as it is. 6 by 6. Now increase by 1. 7 by 6. Increase by 1. 8 by 6. Increase by 1. 9 by 6. 1. 10 by 6. Again increase by 1. 11 by 6. Here 7 by 6. 8 by 6. 9 by 6. 10 by 6. 11 by 6 are the 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. This is the easiest method you can follow. In the next class, let us solve the exercise 1.1 in detail. Hope this class is useful to you all. If you find this video is useful, please like and subscribe.